My fellow investors, fellow Jamaicans, welcome back to the Money Talk JA channel. Now today, we're going to dive deep into the latest financial results from Proven Group Ltd, which has been sparking quite a bit of conversation across the Caribbean investment landscape. Now, if like me, you have been following the market headlines this week, then you would have likely seen that Proven Group has officially recorded a loss for their third quarter ending December 2025. To put the numbers into perspective, the group reported a loss of $895,000 attributable to shareholders. This stands in stark contrast to the $1.1 million profit they secured during the same period last year. And it has been a complex reporting period, with management pointing to several significant hurdles. The main disruptor was Hurricane Melissa, which caused substantial disruptions to business operations across the region. Specifically, the company's foreign exchange operations within Jamaica's critical tourism corridor took a hit. When you combine that with global economic transitions and market volatility, it's clear why this quarter was so challenging. However, the 9-month picture tells a slightly different story. For the 3 quarters ending in December, Proven has remained in the black with a profit of $1.45 million on revenue of $30.4 million. Now, while that profit is down from the $2.38 million seen in the previous year, the company's balance sheet continues to expand. Total assets have actually grown by nearly 8%, now sitting at a massive $1.2 billion. The real story for investors, however, is not the past quarter's loss. It's the massive real estate pipeline the company is currently sitting on. CEO Joan Heaven and his team are now shifting the spotlight to 2 major development projects that are expected to deliver significant revenue upside almost immediately. The first is Sol Harbour, a modern residential complex in Ocho St. Anne. The second is Bahari Phase 1, an exclusive 83-unit gated community located in Runaway Bay. Management expects that these 2 projects will drive a major turnaround starting in the March 2026 quarter. We're looking at an estimated $61.7 million in expected closed sales. More importantly for the bottom line, those sales are projected to translate into approximately $4.2 million in profits. This marks a critical milestone in Proven's long-term real estate strategy. Beyond the property, Proven continues to maintain its diverse reach with significant stakes in Access Financial Services, JMMB Group, and Roberts Manufacturing in Barbados. So, while the red ink in this quarterly report might look concerning at first glance, the group's core operations and associate company contributions remain robust. The big question now is how quickly those real estate gains will materialize and if they can fully offset the volatility we have seen in the finance and tourism sectors. Now I want to hear from you guys. What is your take on Proven's group pivot towards those high-end developments in St. Anne? Is the real estate play enough to keep you bullish on the stock? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's get a discussion going. And ladies and gentlemen, Money Talk JA now has a newsletter that will be published every week. To get it delivered to your email, Just click the link at the top of the description for access. Join the community inner circle for weekly Jamaica Stock Exchange updates, savvy business and investment strategies, and exclusive financial breakdowns tailored specifically for Jamaica. No fluff, just the blueprint you need to build real wealth. Let's start money. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into Caribbean business news. Thanks for watching, and click the link on screen now to watch another Jamaican financial content. Catch you in the next one.